No, we're not trying to implicate the former speaker. Ano? Hindi tayo nagta-target dito. Dumating lang sa ating attention, but we cannot disregard because sabi ko nga, there were persistent reports na ang initial information nga sa pangalan ni Diskaya na or kay Diskaya na ibenta. So it appears now na hindi totoo kasi ang naging role lang allegedly ni Carla Diskaya, yun nga, dumating siya doon, February or January, at sinasabihan sila, umalis na kayo dyan. So yun lang ang pinagtataka natin. So, hindi naman ito enough to implicate or to implead the former speaker. But, this is something that the OJ or the Ombudsman or the Ombudsman can follow through. No? We are only providing a lead for whatever it is worth. Yun lang ang purpose dito. Because if you really want to go after the so-called, sabi nyo nga, wag yung sapsap at saka mga dilis. Hanapin yung malaking isda. And this is the direction that we're taking. But I repeat, hindi ito enough, itong information is not enough to implicate, not even implicate the former speaker. This is just, we may just consider this as a lead kasi merong connection. But of course, dininay naman ni Carla Diskaya, so let's leave it at that. So